I put up an album on Spotify called Songs from an Empty Room. And this is one of them. It's called A Rainy Night in Soho. I've been loving you a long time. Down the years, down all the days. And I've cried for all your trouble. Smile at your funny little ways. We watched our friends grow up together, and we saw them as they fell. Some of them fell into heaven, more than fell into hell. And I took shelter from a shower, and I stepped into your arms. On a rainy night in Soho, the wind was whistling all its charms. It was whistling all its charms. I sang you all my sorrow. You told me all your joys. Whatever happened to that old song? To all those little girls and boys, those little girls and boys. Sometimes I'd wake up in the morning with a ginger lady by my bed, covered in a cloak of silence. I'd hear her whisper in my head. Now the song is nearly over. May never find out what it means, but there's a light I hold before me, and you're the measure of my dreams. You're the measure of my dreams. You're the measure of my dreams. Dreams. Thank you very much indeed. A rainy night in Soho.